Hello, this is Mr. Cook. This video is for lesson 3-4, example 5. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for a line perpendicular to the line y equals 1/5 x plus 2 through point 2, 0. Couple of things we need to remember. First, the slope of perpendicular lines are opposite reciprocals. In this case, if we look at the equation for the line that's given, y equals 1/5 x, our slope is 1/5. The opposite reciprocal of 1/5 is -5/1. So the slope for the line that I need to write an equation for is going to be -5/1. And then it has to go through point 2, 0. Now, if I'm going to decide how to write this equation, I have to look at what information I'm given. The first piece of information that I just deciphered was the slope. And the second piece of information that I was given was a point. Now, I know two different forms for the equation of a line. And they are slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, and the point-slope form. Since I have a point and I know the slope, I'm going to use point-slope form. So, recalling the last two examples, point-slope form is y equals, y minus the y-coordinate of the point, which in this case is 0, equals the slope. Now this is the slope of my perpendicular line. That was my opposite reciprocal of 1/5. My slope is -5. And then in parentheses, x minus my x-coordinate, which in this case is 2. Now I want to simplify anything that I can. Y minus 0 is simply y. And then I need to distribute the 5 to what's inside parentheses. That means the -5. So I'm going to take the -5 and multiply it times x. And I'm going to take the -5 and multiply it times -2. Be careful with your negatives here. So what I end up with when I do that, when I distribute that -5, I end up with -5x. And then -5 times -2 is +10. I don't need to go any further because y is already by itself. But if y had a number with it, I would have to either add it or subtract it from both sides to get y all alone. But as it is in this example, I'm done. I have an equation in slope-intercept form that is perpendicular to my first equation, which I know is perpendicular because my slopes are opposite reciprocals.